What's up, YouTube? Big Daddy here. Time for another food review. Today we're over at Dairy Queen and we are trying their fall flavor, the caramel apple pie blizzard. But before we do that, you should hit subscribe and tap that notifier bell so you know when the next video comes out and you don't miss a thing. All right, guys, Big Daddy here. We're doing the apple pie blizzard. If I can get the stupid lid off. There we go. Oh. We're leaking. It's a nice night here. But we are leaking. We got whipped cream on the apple pie blizzard.
Club. Oh my God, you're such a little slob.
We got car noises.
Sorry, windows are open.
Yep. That's all right. I'm gonna put a little napkin around here.
Oh my God, you're making such a mess.
It's all right, mystery guest.
You're dripping.
I will try to eat fast. Already, in the caramel apple pie blizzard, we got caramel, we got apple pie filling, we got pie crust, whipped cream, vanilla, soft serve, and I believe there's, I don't know if there's nuts in here or not.
No nuts. They would have told me because of allergy.
Oh, that's true, yeah.
They would have said.
But this is excellent. That crunchy pie crust, I love that. And it's the perfect flavors for fall. I think they're going to have it till the end of October, but I'm not 100% positive because they've had it for a while. They may be like Starbucks where they're going to have it until the Dairy Queens run out, is what I'm thinking. But so I wouldn't wait. If you want to try the caramel apple pie blizzard at Dairy Queen, definitely head over to Dairy Queen.
So do they use hot caramel in there? Is that why maybe it's so
I think so. I think they use a hot caramel. It's not hot when I'm eating it, but I think they do.
Well, and that's why it's
such a gooey, melty mess.
Because we just got it. That's weird.
I literally got this and went right out to the car and sat down. I mean, 2 minutes. It's not that long of a walk, but it's melted all to hell.
And mine is not, so that's why I asked.
I think that's what it is. So, it's good. It's really tasty. It's great for fall.
So would it deter you from getting it again because it's so melty?
Not at all. I wouldn't. I'm thoroughly enjoying this, even though it's very melty, but it's good. I think you should definitely go out and try it. On a scale of 1 to 5, I'm giving this thing a 5 out of 5 Big Daddy certified on the Dairy Queen caramel apple pie blizzard. Don't laugh at me, Mr. Guest. How dare you?
I'm sorry. Every time I hear that, it just sounds just so crazy.
It is Big Daddy certified. Should have a big stamp. That'd be awesome. Anyways, that's pretty much it, guys. If you like this video, go out and get yourself an apple pie blizzard and try it. Tell your friends, your relatives, your aunt, your Uncle Tony out in Philly who likes apple pie. He might want one of these. Go try it. Maybe your Aunt Connie. Who knows? Go try that stuff. And like I always say, before you take the first bite, you got to stuff it in your pie hole.
It's got brighter.
We're out.